Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop. Today is something pretty special. Not only is it a Friday video, but it's also a mail call. All the way from England. Tony, 1721, sent me a package. Let's see what Aunt sent me. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well I opened up the package because there was addresses on there and didn't want you all to see that. So we cut that all open. I've got a very nice letter in here. I'm not going to read this on the air because it's personal and well, it's addressed to me. So we're going to hang on to that, keep that over there. He sent me a boatload of stickers. A couple of these are from his regiment and the other is a Union Jack flag, which I'm overly excited about. These are going to go right on my beer fridge. Each and every single one of these. The Queen's Royal Lancers. So cool. Awesome. All this is going to go on my beer fridge, Aunt. With honors. Alright. Let's see what the young feller sent me. Really good packing. Right off the bat. Scotch Boy electrical tape. Hell yeah. This is a vintage tin right here. You don't see these too often. Oh, and it still has the paraffin paper in there. That's nice. That way it doesn't get all gummy on the inside and stuff. Number 33 electrical tape. Scotch Boy. In case you guys didn't know, I happen to be Scottish. I am Scottish and German. These are not my tartan colors, but they're pretty close. That might be really close to our hunting tartan color, actually. I think there's a little bit of purple in there somewhere. Getting off track here. Sorry guys, I'm just overly excited. Got a beautiful rule. Raybone? Oh, this is a nice stainless steel roll. Oh, look at that. It's got the little detent there, so it clicks it in place. That is groovy. Oh, got millimeters and all on the back. That's good, because I don't know my millimeters at all. That is awesome. Thanks, Aunt. Where's this made out of? I see England on there. Made in England. Nice. Another English tool for the channel. That's so cool. Dude, and you didn't have to send me anything, dude. You really didn't, bro. This is... I just get a kick out of you getting all excited about American tools, you know? I'm definitely going to be reusing these bags. Whoa, look at this level, look at this level, look at this level. No way. Whoa. This thing is so beautiful. I'm sure you guys have probably never seen this. It's a warranted correct J. Rabone and Sons makers, Birmingham. That is beautiful. I absolutely love this. It's a small little level, but man, this thing is stout. I like this a lot. Man. Thanks, Aunt. Oh my God. Jeez, dude, you just put like a whole bunch of stuff in here, man. What? No way. Whoa, I just sounded like that guy. The what, no way guy. Cut this open. I'm not going to mess anything up. Raybone Chesterman. It's a nice tape. This is a real nice tape. Show signs of wear. That's good though, man. And these tapes clean up so nice. That little bit of surface rust right there, most of that will come right off with your fingers. Look at that. Awesome. Man, the action's perfect on there. I love that. Silverline. I wonder if that's the brand. Raybone Chesterman, but Silverline, is that like one of the models? I'll have to look that up. Thanks, brother. What? What are you doing to me here, man? Sadler's Peaky Blinders, 4.3%. M&B brew. Nice. Beer drinkers, right? We can send beer stuff anywhere throughout the world and everybody loves it. So cool. Oh man, so cool. And what is this? Standard hand drill, made in England. 805. What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. So you guys just saw last week, or 2 weeks ago, whenever this video is coming out. Look at that, and the bits are in there. What is that? Oh, he threw a church key in there. That is so awesome. Mitchell's and Butler's. Extra stout. Oh yeah. That's a solid church key. Yeah, I think this might be the one that goes on my keychain, to be honest with you. That's perfect size too. Give her a bit of a clean up. Put it right on my keychain. That's going to be my everyday carry right there. I love that. Let me get back to this hand drill. I have a definite appreciation for hand drills. You know? I am just I am blown away. So I have the one that Mr. John fixed up for me. I got my little egg beater, which that's going to go by way of the Dodo, and this is going to take its place. This thing is beautiful. I mean, it is perfect. It's got the original varnish on there. Made in England. Because I just got a breast drill made in England. You know what, guys? I hate to say it, but I think I might have to start collecting these things. I really do think I need to start collecting these. they're so simplistic, I guess is the word that I'm looking for. Will it wear you out using this? Probably will, you know. But look, if things go south or something like that, you know, and we lose power or something like that, and I need to drill a hole, I could definitely do it. I could definitely do it with this, you know. God, this thing is perfect shape. Perfect shape. Original box, everything. Oh my God. Ant, you're too much, brother. You really are way too much, man. Oh, I just totally adore this stuff. Put that in there. Where did the handle go? There. And the original box, man. If you know the date of when this was made, please let me know. There's no date on the box, right? No, there's no date on the box. You know what's funny too? I didn't know that Stanley was made in England, but I also didn't know Stanley was made in Spain. I found a few Spain Stanley wrenches and screwdrivers not that long ago. Who knew? Man, Ant, I truly appreciate it, brother. Thank you very much, man. Cheers. Oh, that's good. Alrighty, guys. Well, we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Ant really hooked us up. Thanks a lot, brother. I truly appreciate it. Guys, if you would, please go and check out my buddy Ant's channel at Tony1721. You will not be disappointed. He gets fantastic deals on these car boot sales that he goes to. All sorts of cool stuff that we can't get here in the States. And he also does a hell of a job on restorations. So please don't forget to go and check those out. Hope you guys go and subscribe to him. Click, hit that notification bell for him. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We will see you next week with another. Bye. The Queen's Royal Lancers. Got you a little askew. It's just because you're on my beer fridge. Tell you. Death or glory. It's awesome. Nice.